Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm gonna present you about the final project for Azure Machine Learning Engineer in Microsoft from the university. Okay, this project is to create the fraud detection machine learning models by using the Azure MLs. And here is the overall uh, pipeline and architecture that will be done in this project. Okay, first is read in the data and then do some data pre-processing here, and then we will benchmarking the model from automated machine learning models from Azure. And next one is to write gradient booting model classifier with the hyper tuning by hyperdive. And after we train two models, we will benchmark the performance and select the best model to deploy as a Azure Web Service. And also we will enable the URI documentation by use Swagger, which is the built-in function from the Azure. And then also enable the application insights. And then we will test the uh, endpoint by make the request from the local. Okay, so let's start it. So when we develop and make the pipeline of the machine learnings in both AutoML and LGBM, we will have the two notebook that is here. So all of them do the same thing, read the data in, and then uh, use those data into the AutoML and LGBM. Okay, this is to notebook to the main one. Okay, and I also have created a custom Python script here for the data preparations and for the uh, LGBM model. The custom code is here. After we submit the two pipeline, all of them will be completed, and you will see it on here, right? This is two data pipeline, machine learning pipeline that have been completed, and all the steps would be here. Clean the data, select columns, and feature engineering, and last one would be the LGBM. For this one is the hyperdive step. Okay. So after completed, we can make the register for trained model. These two are register model from AutoML and LGBM. But according to the performance here, I decided to deploy the AutoML with the have got the highest AUC, which is our primary metrics here, and the training time is also shorter than the LGBM. Okay, after you have deployed it, you can check the endpoint here on the endpoint menu, and then when we click on it, you will see that this is the REST API for you to make the request, and this is a Swagger URI that you can make the documentation for the endpoint request. And also I have enabled the application insight on here, and when you click it, it will have a dashboard that can use to monitor anything that happen in the endpoint here. Okay, and for the Swaggers, I also made it here for the AutoML, right? As I just mentioned that you can check the format of the scoring data that you can make the request. This is a really long list. Okay, so the next one we will perform the request for our endpoint. What you need is the scoring is the scoring URI and the key to enable the endpoint. When we read it and make the data in the format that Swagger told us, okay, then I will send the request to them, and you could see that this is the result that come from the endpoint. We also can come back and see at the application inside here that what happened when we make the request. Okay, so wait a minute. Yeah, you can see that there are number of the requests come up here over the times. Okay, and that is all from me. Yep, thank you.